Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the voice prompt volume on DJI ROMO. If you'd like to do it, click on the settings in top right corner, go to voice assistant and go to robot volume. Now you can slide the slider and it will do a test of the sound, so let's try it to like 80%. Yeah, I can hear the chime. I don't know if you can't hear it because it looks like the robot is currently like 6 feet from the microphone, but you can change it and you'll hear a little test. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.